Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Had a great day earlier. I was going to go live at 1 o'clock. I was up $6,000 on this pick they did in the room on UNONE. Then I gave back 3 of it. Now I had to delay it because I gave back more, and then I did a bump trade and made some back. So I was sweating it there for a little bit. But I got a fresh pot of coffee and a new look on the stock. And I'll show you what we got going on in the MOJO Day Trading room. Let's say hello to the team. There's the team. We had it at 474 was the last, and then I bump traded it down to 380. Where is it at now? 380. 376 by 80 right here. So it's moving back up, guys. Gonna definitely trade it again because it's a money maker now. 389, guys. $390. Come on, baby. I gotta fix my order entry. You gotta keep on doing this until it comes up. See how it's small? You can't even see it. It's a glitch in their thing. There we go. See how it just fixed? So you go into the menu up at top and you press preferences. And then your preferences thing should come up like this. And then you can change your default to 1,000. So when it comes up in there, it's 1,000. And there's some other things you can set your settings to also. Okay? So check that out, hit apply and okay, and then save your settings. So when you click on it, it should go to 1,000. So let me go right here. And also, so what I saw is view. Let me show that. Look, show linking border. It shows what borders are being linked. Isn't that cool with the yellow? So you know. UONE, here it is. 380 by 395. See it? Did a little trading. We actually traded it a bunch of times in here. The last time we actually got a little lost in here, so I bumped it down, and now I'm getting out of it right here. There's $4. Boom. Thank you, sir. Sold. Thank you, sir. Views. Let's see here. It's closed. So guys, I don't have any, there's another guy that goes live and like says he's selling, and there's some controversy. I'm just looking at making sure I'm active and connected right now. Yep. Let me see how many people I have watching. 10. Got 10. One of them is Van. You count as a person. That's Van is 1. There he is. Hey Van, what's going on? Matt, David, imagine if Mojo could have like 5,000 people put a million shares into the stock right now. Thing would rip to 450. I'd be like, adding. See, let me show you. It's like, no, but this is what, if I had thousands of people watching, this is what I would do. Check it out. Okay? Watch. Now, here's the pool of people. You got level 1, level 2, and level 3. Okay? And this is what happens with very large chat rooms, ones with thousands of people, not ones you can count on one hand. They don't do anything, like my chat room. That's why I have to give my day trading course away. The same course as these guys are copying me and charging you thousands of dollars. You can get it from the original source. So let me tell you what happens. The moderator gets in, and I'll do it right here. Let me change the color. He's going to get in the blue. Right here. Okay, because he's looking at the stock. It's on his Trade Ideas Gap scanner. And he's looking at the stock. And now he's notorious for trading like Heinz $6. Right? So, here's what happens. These people, number one, anticipate him making the call. So they can actually get in first. They're smart. They've been with him a while. They could see him setting up, right? And lining up. And what he does is he adds. So if it does the break of 6, he'll add at 620. He'll add at 630, looking for the break of 650. Okay? By the time the two people get it, he called it out, they typing it in, they're making the move, they're in about right here. So at 620 and 630, he's so confident that it's going to go higher because the people in his room haven't yet begun to buy, all of them. And then you got the older people and the new guys in his room in level 3 that are even slower. And they're going to really just start to buy it at 650 in fear of missing out. They don't want to miss Ross's pick. So on fear of missing out, they'll be the last top notch here at 650. And he sold. Now it goes down. So let me change the color to pink. So now it goes down. And it goes down, and some ones even spike big, and it can go all the way down and triangle back to where they first got in. And that happens time and time again. So what happened? These people probably made money. These people luckily they didn't lose a lot, or maybe have made a little bit. It was too fast for them. And these people lost. This is 70% of his room. This is 20% of his room. And this is him and 10% of his room. So, out of 3,000 people, 300 are making money. And out of 500,000 subscribers, 50,000 watch. Everything's 10%, guys. There you go. Lesson of the day on that. Show you what we traded today in my little room. We have 50 people in the Mojo room. We do the same thing every day. We traded Genius this morning. Right here. GNUS. First trade of the day. We were looking at it at 8:30. We didn't trade anything till 9. Oh, we did one pre-market trade. We did it right here at 450, and we sold it at 74. GNUS. And then DGLY, we're looking for a play at the open. So at 9:30, the market opens right here. And we go in right on the first trade on GNUS. At 477, we're going to risk a nickel. And we're going to buy it at 472. We're either going to add at 451, or add higher. And it goes down to 451 to 455, so I say add, not adding higher, as in the other scenario. I'm adding lower. I'm adding lower. And then I'm selling right back here into where I own it. So really didn't make anything on that trade. And then we did this E-man trade for $1 because it was my swing pick. No one heard of that one before. And we did a good trade on BBY from 217 to 230. Again from 217 to 230. We did it 2 times. Traded a lot of volume. So I'll show you those picks. BBI E-man. $4 on UONE. E-man this morning. No one traded that but Mojo. It wasn't on any gainers lists or anything like that because it was my swing pick. So at 9:30 right here, the stock opened up at 93 cents for the move of $1. And at right here, the stock was $1.21. The volume at that particular time, each one of these bars is 500,000 shares. So it traded many millions of shares. That was E-man. The other one was BBI. BBI, we bought the dip on the open. Right here was the first bar. So BBI, we got about 218 on this dip down here. And as I mentioned, it ran back up. Then it came down again. We bought it again, and it ran back up. Then it came down again, and it ran back up. And that was pretty much the last time we traded BBI. I think we traded it maybe one other time here. But that's about it. And the other one we traded was INO for $14. So INO made a trade right here up to 14, but that wasn't the one that we did. I think we did this one right here after the initial, and it made another move up. Then we did it again here, and it made another move up. And that was the end of those 2 trades on INO. Cloud stocks are doing well today. Cloudera, Netfair, FireEye. We have FEYE. I'm suspecting that is doing good today. 1277 by 78 on FireEye. Looking really nice on FireEye. It's our swing pick right there. Speaking of those swing pick, let's go over the model portfolio. I always like to see that. Van's got something to tell me this morning about some of the work he did. What's going on, Bubba? So I typo message above. Good, tried your tip, it works, thank you. What, with the putting? Eyes over the ball. I went and practiced in my garage on a line and put my eyes over with my putter. I just got to stand a little closer to it, and then once I stand a little closer, then my eyes could go over the ball and I could see down the center. I want to make sure I take the putter back straight and through along the line and get this line going. And then get out there on the course and repeat what I practice. And I can close my eyes and picture the line that I practiced on for freaking a week. What I did, I went to the range and hit a few shots to get warmed up, practice to take my club away slow and back and not up. Correct, so you can hit it with a better flight. Then I'd put it about 6 inches behind the ball, which is my imaginary line. It seems to be working every time for at least now. Thank you so much on the tip. Right on. Yeah, with the ball flight and the tip this morning, bringing it into the business area. Nice job, Van. Excellent, excellent work. So we have right here some of these swing picks looking really good today. The Dow's up 140, Nasdaq's up 136, incredibly, to 9,700, almost to an all-time high at 10,000. Dow's at 25.7. Nasdaq's S&P's at 3,065, and we got some really good picks. So some of these worked really well. We had this today, which is the trigger list. Any of these triggered at 3%, the trigger price, they became a buy and they moved to the buy list. There were 11 in the buy list, all 11 worked. So here's what we got today. XOG, extraction oil and gas. It's going to trigger at 58 cents. See that? Went to 60. So we own this at 58 cents. XOG. So I'm coming down here and I'm putting in this. Boom. XOG. We own it. 58 cents. It triggered. We're down 8% on it. No harm, no foul. Goes up beautifully. Okay, let's look at the next one. So we're moving it from the swing, from the list. Then you have Sonam Technologies at 87 cents. It triggered at 90. It's 97, up 11%. There you go. So this one we own at 90 cents. Sonam. SONM. Right here. Boom. Cost 90. It's at 97. We are up 7.78%. And going. The next one is 22nd Century Group at 82 cents, pinged at 87, 84 trigger, high 87. We're in on XXII at 84. They're a smoking cessation stock. I'm sure a lot of people are going to try to quit smoking and do something good over the quarantine. So we own this at 84. Down on that one too. That's we own it at 87. 87. That's the high though. I guess that's where it triggered. Okay, that's fine. Oh no, it said yeah, that's fine. Precipio. PRPO at 96, triggered at 99 is $1.20. This is a 99-cent buy on Precipio. $0.99. It's $1.20, up 21% on Precipio. Beautiful. Next one is Hexo. Hexo at 95 cents, triggered at 98. It's at 99. We're in 98 cents on Hexo. Hexo, we're in at 98. Done. Next one is Salem Media Group. They own a lot of radio stations. They own like 60 radio stations. I think radio is not going anywhere. People at home, advertising, this and that. It triggered at 104. It's been as high as 131. It's 110. Cost 104. Cost 104. Let's take a look back over here. UONE's 412 now, 417. BBI went over 455. Good job, good job. Nice work. Nice work in the afternoon, on the day and the swing. Trading. Let Mojo move to the next one, please. Salem Media Group, nailed. Nailed it.
It has been nailed.
Better ask somebody. So I got that one in there. Salem up 5.77%. Then I got Jackie, little Jackie. Little Jackie, price picked at $1, triggered $1.03, went to $1.10. We're in Jackie at $1.03. And AWX didn't trigger. That's the only one that didn't. Oh, it did 185, hit 185. We're in that one too. DHX triggered at 68. We're in that one. LOV 334 triggered at 44, went to 45 in that one. And NETE triggered at 927. Ooh, went to $13. Wow. That was a big one. All these triggered. Triggered at 927. I believe I had mentioned on that NETE. Triggered at 920, 927, 344, and 268. 344, 268. AWX triggered at 85 and the other at 103. $185, 103. Perfect. This one's down and this one's down. And this one's down. Oh, this one we sold. NETE went ballistic. I sold it at 10. Went up 3 points after I sold it. Made 13% though. In 10 minutes. I mean like an hour, maybe half hour. So that was that one. Let's go over some of the other ones. So NETE and all these are done. Watch list was awesome. Krone today is 656. Got the covered call expiring right here. Will be worthless. Last time it was 22 cents. CGC right here is 1850 covered call. This one is 12 cents. And going to expire worthless. Sold it for 75. ACB sold it for $1.20 is worthless. It's 13. We sold the $16 covered call. Every one of these is going to expire worthless on Friday. They'll all be down here on Friday. Right down there. And then we'll redo them again. We're going to collect 40 cents, $1, $2.30. So NXTD, guys, doing good. My Little Pony came down from 100%. It's down at 8. This one's still up 50. Look, DDD turned from red to green. It's up 1% now. It's the 3D printing company. IO up 80%. USO up 446%. United States Oil Fund. APA from the 4.2 newsletter. There's a bunch in that one. Every one of those is up. The 4.6 newsletter. We had 20 picks. Every one of those is up. The 4.13 newsletter. Every one of those is up. I mean up. The 4.20 newsletter. All of them up 100%. 4.27, we got the first loser. But RigNet's up 140%. BKYI down a little bit. Down. This one's up. HSDT up 2. GNC up 92. Solo's doing really good today, up 147% on Solo now. New high today on Solo. Let me show you Solo, what that one did today. Solo right here. Look at this one. Look at this move right there, $1.70. It goes up to $2.95 on Solo right there. Went up to high today, $2.10. On that Solo. GCI up 84. XPSA up 298. SFET turned red today. Look, it went from red to up 35%. SFET. Yep. UONE's 428. SFET, look. Moved up beautiful today. Look at this spike and held up all day. UONE's 429. 430 on UONE. Nice job. Good job on UONE. $4.50 on UONE. $4.50. You too, Van. I want to see how it works tomorrow. You'll be dreaming about the ball flight. You'll be dreaming about the ball flight. Big time. Absolutely. You go practice it again and again. When Rory McIlroy changed his grip, took him a long time, dude. Took me a little while too when I changed my grip. So we got Safety Group, did good today, spiked up 35%. This one's up 4, down 5, up 77 on Nano Dimension from the 518 newsletter. The 525 newsletter, both of those stocks are still down. UGAS, I'm going to sell probably for a loss right here, 20%. We'll rebuy it. There you go. Sold 11.20, lost 20% on you guys. Held it for 21 days. Come back to it another time. Vuzi's holding up. DGLY is doing good. FNJN doing good. These two are down a little bit. YYY up 6%. This one turned green. When they turn green, watch out. They could jump. Zedge up 1.8. Verb down 11. Safety right here is up. I saw that one, didn't I? Yeah, there we go. I picked it twice. Once at 150, once at 132. Keep one of them. Send it out twice in the newsletter. Real Networks did good this morning. It was down. Now it's down. OSS up 16 today. Was up at 202. That one doing good. Better Online Solutions. That one's doing good too. Went to 288 today. So you could raise these trail stops, guys, to the lows of the day. 246, $1.60, $1.52, $1.12, 145, 105. 116, 112, 95, $1. Put them all to the lows of the day. Here's the picks for today that went out in the Swing newsletter last night for the Swing members that are in that. MOJODayTrading.com. Buy one, get one free, guys. See that? See? Buy one, get one free. Above, they're in. They got these picks. Also 615. E-Man at 95 at 122. Put it at $1.05. PPSI at $1.02. Went to $1.08. Leave it at 92. IDEX at $1.10. Went to a 16. Leave it at 108, the low of the day. Low of the day here's $1. OXBR at $1.15 is 117. It's been to 125. The low of the day is 110. MHLD at 131 is 134, high 135, low of the day is 130. Isaiah at $1.60 is 181, been to 92, it's up 13%, low of the day is 152. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row. Hyracar, 7 in a row. At 225 is 238, low 221, up 5%. Artsway Manufacturing, no one heard of this one before. 235, it's 263. It's got a very low float, very, very low float, 11.91, been to 286 already today. Grubhub at 60, it's been to 61.19, low 59.26, low 232. Then you have Allstate, we got it 93, is 98.40, up 5% on Allstate. Can't lose on that one. Low of the day right there. Set it at 95. We're making 2 points on that baby. IAC for the buyout with Apple is up $8 right now. You can put it at 275 on that one. The option guys are doing really nice on that one. OXG's down 3 cents. Put it at the 48. Sonam is up 6%, put it at 86. XII is down a little bit, put it at 80. PRPO is up 16% and put it at $1.05. Hexo, 95. Salem, $1. Jackie, 91. $1.60 here. Actually, it's 185 now, 160 there. 278, we go 255. And LOV, which we're up a little bit, we go 330. Beautiful. And those are the picks, dudes. So we're at 151. 151 minus 27 is 124. Wins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one's break even now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 losers, all like 10% and under. So that's 22 minus 24 is 102 wins, 82%. The average gain is 43%, 43.27. Open. Closed is 219 minus 159 is 60. Losers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 losers, 53 wins, 88%. Average gain 47.40. Average hold 35 days. Not bad, Mojo Swing members. UONE is $5. That's called money in the bank. All right, I'm done with it. I made a record back on it. You said what you wanted to see me make over 10 grand on? Is that what you wanted to see? Watch. Let's see, where is it? Let's take a trade. I'll show you. So here's my trade. Let me make the font. Let me cancel this. So right here, UONE, I made $10,162. I stopped right at 10,000. I could have made another good trade. 10,162.25. Could have made another really good trade in it. I had it down here. I bumped it. When you do a bump trade, dude, I had so many shares. If I would have held to right here, my profit would have been like, let's see. It probably would have been almost triple that. Am I saying, oh my God, 10 minutes ago I lost the capability of tripling $10,000? Yeah, I did. But I was down for a little while in it. So I waited patiently. You sold BBI at 482 from 380. That's a pretty good move in the room there, Mr. Money. You traded UONE from 380 to 450 in 10 minutes. Well, yeah, now it's 5. Isn't that awesome? BBI is the other one. Nice. Hey, Mike, I got my trade trying to figure it out. I set up some hotkeys. No, there's no hotkeys, but it's under development. We have a new one coming out. It's going to look like this. Check it out. It's an update coming. It's going to look like this. This right here is going to have 3 buttons. 4 buttons going across. They're going to be set hotkeys. It's going to be a quarter, a half, 3/4, and sell all. Coming out soon. I'm working with them on that. Working on them with that. And that's it, man. Some good stocks today. Peloton did good today. Check it out on the daily. Above my head did good. Neo did good today. New high on Neo. $7 on Neo. This one Net did good. FEYE is my other one. That's Fire Eye. It was 77. Still 77. See, I remember the number. INO is moving 417 now. Cioxy. Heard of this stock? Traded 15 million shares. Cioxy. See it? CIOXY. It made a move from 95 cents to 215 this morning. Now it's at $1. Isn't that amazing? DGLY may move here. You sold UONE at 482 from 380? Yeah, great job, dude. Don't be sorry about it. What are you sorry? Made a point win with me on that one, dude. You kidding me? It's an awesome move. BBI. Oh, that's fair. That's fine. No problem. I was like, BBI didn't make that big of a move. Nice. Absolutely. Traded Genius this morning. Did good on that one. I like Apple short. It's been rising all day. It's time for it to drop a little bit. Short a little Apple. Let's do that. Short a little Apple right here, guys. Make some money on that. See if we can catch it on the rise up. Oh, UNE, sweet ride, dude. Absolutely. Nice action. Where's it at now? Oh, 470? Yeah, it went over 5. Beautiful ride. Nice ride. Sweet ride. Nice job this year. How much you make on that one? I made like a lot. How much you make? a lot too. Look, Apple's rising. I'm a short Apple into this rise. Small positions. It's okay. $1,200, dude, is a beautiful thing. You know that? It's no harm and no foul on $1,200. Making with the Moj. You know what I'm saying? There's no harm, no foul on that. Absolutely. Yeah, it's good. Small's good. Small works. Absolutely, dude. No one wants no trade reviews today. Guess don't need any. Here's my did I post that on Twitter? Take a look. While my short works on Apple. Yeah, my big 5 viewers, guys, on Periscope, moving the markets. Mojo's moving the markets with 5 viewers. It's big. It's big. 5 viewers. See that? So everyone looking at Mojo, you decide if Mojo's fair with 5 people watching. There's 5 live. See, 5. 5. 5. But I had 221 people watch my one from this morning. That makes me feel better. But it's way over. Only a 5 watch. Oh, Daniel Berger, dude. Use these irons, dude. These old TaylorMades from high school. At least clean them up a little bit, dude. You got dirt all in there and shizzle dizzle. I'd be cleaning the crap. I'd be putting... Dude, you get that thing and you scrape it off, dude. Clean those clubs, brah. It's like me. I didn't switch no irons, man, because... Or no driver, because mine's a better. Sunday's watch list, I did that. Bitcoin's moving, guys. GBTC is buying more. And so is a new trust. There's a couple new Bitcoin things going on, guys. So yeah, dude, see what your new life can be like. You want to see? Look. He made $1,200. His goal's $500 a day. He's at $818. That's what your new life could be like, everybody, right here. Trading made $380 to $450 in 10 minutes. Right here. Look this morning, right here. Let's go back a little bit to like 10 a.m. So 9 a.m. right here. Boop, boop. I say, show me the money. Look. Genius. Genius. He made $540 on Genius. He's up $9. You ready? I say, show me the money. Where is that? Here it is. Show me the money, dude. He's up $2,900. He's up $1,300. $65. $180. $498. $787. $203. $273. $27. Look at that, guys. $890. That's what your new life could be like right there. In 30 minutes. That's an hourly wage. It's amazing, dude. Hourly wage, it's amazing. Alright, I'm up a little bit on Apple. $344.50. Just covered some. Do it again. Down 290 on Apple. Down 215, down 100, down 70, down 80. Let's see what we can get on this short up here. It's at 70. Like the number to drop. Here's the 2 minute right here on it. Crossed right there. See that? On the cross. On that STO right there. See that? Cross right down. Here it comes. Told you. down 95, down 80, down 200. What broker does MOJO? MOJO uses the TradeX platform, bro. I train you on this first and demo, and then you can go live. Still down 200 on my position. And I have at risk right now $400,000 worth of stock. And I'm only down $100, $80, or up $80. So people think, oh my gosh, you're trading $500,000, you're going to lose so much money. I'm not risking that much money. Look, I'm up $100. I'm up $200. See? Now it's coming down. Now I'm down, up $75, down 100, down 200. See, I could have taken some profit off the table right there. Maybe on the next one I will. And then I'll reshort it again, what I buy back. See, I'm up 24 bucks. Boom, boom, I'll buy some back now. See? Look, up 200 bucks. I bought some back. Still up 200 bucks and bought it back. Now it's dumping. There you go. See that? Up $200, and I bought half of it back, and I'm still up 200 bucks, and it's dropping hard. Up 260, and I bought 3/4 of it back. Up $300. I only have 300 shares left. 100 shares left. I made beautiful $259 on that trade. Boom, done. And UNE flat. Great trading right there, guys. Made 13,555 today. $13,535, $3,000 in commissions to do that because I had to bump out. $3,000 in commissions I had to pay today to save myself. Not too shabby, right? Let me see. My closed 580 on that. My closed P&L is 13,535 minus total P&L 10,650, 2,885 in commissions. Not too shabby. Yeah, dude, it's 580 now. How many times you say wow? Once, twice? That's why it went up, did that. Nice job on the Apple short, dude. 344.18. Beautiful trading on that Apple. I'm going to do it again. Apple goes up, we'll make another 50 cents on it. That's it, dudes. You know, you can't front run, pump and dump Apple. Right? Who else trades Apple? Does Ross trade Apple? No. Unless it's small and there's risk, he can't front run it. He can risk losing money. There's no control. No control with a guy like that on a stock like that. That's why he doesn't do that. But real traders know how to rock and roll on any course. You don't just play your home course because you know the ribs and the dibs. Yeah, UNE spiking like a champ, dude. Going to $6. If I was still in right here, dude, look, I was in right here on the bump. I sold right there. I think I had 30,000 shares. And the stock has gone this. I sold it at here, which is $4.30. It's $6. It's $6.30. So I've missed $60,000 right here of profit. If I could have gone away to the bathroom or something like that, or my computer would have gone down, I had $60,000 in profit. I missed. What's his name would be in it. You know why? Because he's a demo account. And when you're trading real money, dude, it's real. Otherwise, you'd still be in. Saying, oh, adding. Oh, I'm adding. Oh, adding more. Oh, adding. Oh, sold. Oh, there you go. That shit don't work. All right, it's been a really good day. Done for the day with Van. Go to the range. Made my day. Have a great evening. I can't wait to hear what tomorrow happens with your new game. See some amazing action, if anything. Peloton's Heinz in 50. Peloton's Heinz in 50. We saw the surface tricks. Alright. We saw those surface tricks. 650 on that sucker now. Look at that thing's non-stop. At this particular point, guys, I gotta shut it off. Not something I'm really interested in sitting here and watching. It's something I bumped, made my money on, and now, dude, I could have made like $100,000, but I'm only up 10. Give me a break, you know? That's real. So, guys, I'm gonna sign off. Go have a beer. Peace. Keep it profitable out there in social media land. Good job, Van. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow, brother. Peace. $670.